So guys, I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, this is a strategy that you use to scalp the boom and crash market and take 4 to 5 candles successfully without getting hit with any spike. Alright, so before I share with you guys the strategy, I'm going to first of all show you the setup. So the first thing you do is to click on here, this one right here. So after clicking on the icon, the first indicator here is the moving average, this one here. So you click on it, the period is 30, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel and the color is black. So after that you click on save, right? Now that is for the first indicator there. Then for the relative strength index, right, you search for the relative strength index, right? Now these are the parameters. You can see here the period is 1, the apply to close. Under the style you can see 1 pixel, the color, you use the color of your background, and then the levels, you have to set it to 85 and 15. The pixel is 2 and the color is black, alright, so that it will reflect on your chart. So after that you click on save, right? Now before you add the MACD, you have to click on this icon, the second F icon there, right? Then you search for the MACD and you click on it, right? So these are the parameters. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 5, the apply to close. Under the style we have 2 pixel, the color is black, the signal is 1 pixel, the color is the color of your background, right? So the time frame you have to set it to all, right? The level you don't need that, so you click on save. Alright, so you have to click on this icon again and then you search for the Bollinger Band, right? So after clicking on the Bollinger Band, here are the parameters. The period is 10, deviation 0.100, the shift is 0, the apply to weighted close, right? Then the style, you have 3 pixel, you can see the color. So after that you click on done, right? Then you go back, you are going to have a screen like this one, right? If you do everything correctly, you are going to have something like this. Now let me share with you how the strategy works, right? This is a very simple strategy but very powerful, right? So if you are going to observe the condition I'm going to be sharing with you now and do everything exactly as I see it, then I'll assure you that you are going to make money using this strategy. Alright, so make sure you listen carefully and don't skip any part of this video. Alright, so before I share with you guys the setting, if you are new to my channel, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll get notified immediately, okay? Because here on my channel, I post powerful strategy that will help you grow your small account, alright? That is what I'm all about, alright? I'm here to help those of you using small accounts to grow, alright? Now, with that out of the way, let's get back to the topic. Alright, so now how does this strategy work? Now the first thing you are to observe is that you are going to allow the indicators, whenever you see that the indicators are touching the 15 level here, the golden color indicator here and the black one, whenever you see that they are touching the 15 level, alright, this is crash 1000, alright, so take note of that. Whenever you see that it's touching the 15 level, now the first condition is that it has touched the 15 level. You are sure that it has touched and it's not fluctuating, it's not going up and down, just like this one you are seeing. You see the way it's going up and down, it's not stable, right? So this one, you need to be stable, right? And it needs to be touching the 15 level. That is your condition number one. Now the second confirmation is that you are going to see that the black line here is now going or crossing above the golden line. You see that it's now going up. The line is getting shorter and shorter. Alright, so that is your second confirmation. Now look on the main chart. You can see that here on the main chart, price cross below the black moving average, right? So once this crossing happen, right, you are not to take any entry yet. Now look, once the crossing happen on the main chart, right, you are not to take any entry. That is your second confirmation. Now for the third one, you need to see that the line here facing down has start facing up, like it has crossed over like this and it's now facing up. Once you see that it has start facing up, right, that is when you are to take your entry, right? So, and I will advise you just go in for 4 candles, right? You take 4 candles, 1 to 4 candles, and then you are out. All right, this is a very good strategy, a ninja strategy. It will help you get entries, save money, and you won't be caught with any spike. All right, so now let's check again for another example. Now you see here the line, it touches the 15 level, it start crossing, it went up. Now on the main chart you see that it has crossed the black line, right? But it has not yet crossed above on the main chart. All right, so you can see why I say that you should wait for the crossing to happen on the indicator window before you take any entry. Now this spike will not blow your account. Even if you take your entry immediately it crossed the black line, all right, it will not take your it will not blow your account. All right, you can take entry if it crossed the black line too, but sometimes it will come for retest and maybe the spike will be massive sometime. All right, so it's safer you wait for the confirmation on the indicator window to just take 4 candles and you are out. All right, but if you take your entry from here you can still recover your money. All right, but it's not out. I don't advise that. All right, so again, let me show you another example using this particular strategy. Now it has touching the 15 level here. You wait for the second confirmation, the crossing has happened, and then boom, you take your 4 candle before any spike will come, right? Again, another example here. You can see how perfectly this is working. The crossing, and you can see the crossing on the indicator window. You take your 4 candles and you are out. All right, so this is how powerful and sweet this strategy is. It's a very good strategy. All right, so now that I've shown you and I've tell you how it works, now it's up to you to go and back test it yourself. All right, back test this strategy for yourself and see how good it is for yourself. All right, don't just take my word for it. All right, so you back test it and see if it's working for you. Then that is when you can put your money and then start trading with it. All right, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. All right, so I'll be drawing the curtain here now. All right, see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you get value from it. All right, like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to others to view it too, so that they can also get the same value you are getting from it right now. Right, so it's now up to you to do the needful. Right, so thank you for your time and see you in the next video. See you.